Hello guys, welcome to my line tips. I want to say big congratulations to everyone that played yesterday 2 odds. We've been having back-to-back winning in our Telegram channel for the 2 odds for over 2 weeks now. So this 2 odds rollover will be on till first week of August when the new football season will kick off. So you have the opportunity to join us and then benefit in this program. Okay, these are the today's two of being Saturday the 15th of July 2023. Our first game is in Romania Liga 1 where AFC Amastad is taking on FC Faro Constanța, and our prediction is home team win or both teams to score. If you don't have this option in your bookie, you can play under 3.5 goals. And then the second game on our list is in Argentina Provincial League where Union de Santa Fe is taking on CA Pretens, and our prediction is home team win or both teams to score. As I said earlier, if you don't have this option in your bookie, you can as well play them under 3.5 goals at full time. Then last game today to make up our 2 odds is still in Argentina. But before I do that, if you find this video of value to you, kindly hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And also, if you are new to this channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when we drop new content. In this channel we drop content every day, and also we have posted tutorial videos on how to predict football match in different betting markets. So check this channel out for those videos, from how to predict full-time draw, how to predict half-time draw, how to predict correct score, how to predict both teams to score, how to predict over 1.5 goals. All those videos are available in this channel. Kindly check them out and watch them. It will be of value to you. Okay guys, our last game today is in Argentina Professional League where Racing Club Avellaneda is taking on Club Atlético Rosa, and our prediction is under 3.5 goals at full time. Then this will give you a total of 2.12 odds. Okay, I will play my own now and then give you the booking code for those people using Sportybet. Okay, this is the Sportybet code, ACC B8B 48. I read again, ACCB 8B 48. Okay guys, see you in our next video. Thank you for staying tuned. Once again, congratulations if you're part of those people that played yesterday 2 odds. As I said earlier, these 2 odds up rollover will be on for from now till August 1st week when the new season will begin. Is free of charge, so kindly check the comment section. I will drop our channel link so that you join the channel and be part of this program. Thank you for staying tuned. See you in our next video.